Yes, ma'am. Got him. Shout out to the young boy right here. We got him. Got this bitch up to you know what it is. So here come the time. Put them gears in. I'm gonna keep that secret if you don't know. You know what I mean? We here. So get ready for that. I'll be in the gang real quick, real short. No games to be played this morning. You feel me? Brakes, gears. Like first thing this morning, jump out. Ooh, what's up? Ooh, get that bitch started. I ain't ready for work. I just want to work on this right here, getting back on the road. We getting there, man. We had this shit back together Monday. Out here burning tires off. These fresh, nice tires. Both axles out. It's already out. About to put them back in. Garage half out. Boom, clear like a baby. Trying to clean it up. Put them things back in here, boy.